Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm standing in front of my crepe myrtle trees. Believe it or not, these were planted 20 years ago. Yes, 20 years ago when I first moved onto the property. Actually, more than 20 years ago when I first moved onto the property. And they have not been taken care of like they should have been. So I'm going to show them some love today, and I'm going to give you my tips on how to care for crepe myrtles. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is trim some of the limbs from the bottom that are sticking out. The purpose for doing that is to provide for better airflow, but also too, whenever I'm using the weed eater or my riding lawnmower, I don't have to worry about getting hit by limbs. We're going to use the CC 6-inch saw that you have seen me use in previous videos. I believe this will do the job perfectly. I'm also cutting out limbs that crisscross each other. Okay, as you can see, the first one has been trimmed to my liking. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other two. Hey, I don't know if the camera really picks it up or not, but What I'm going to do next is spray for black mold on my crepe myrtles. Um, Black mold more than likely probably came from aphids. Aphids on producing a sugary substance, and over time it turned to mold. So it's on the bark and on the leaves. The leaves, I'm not so much worried about. They are going to fall off during the winter anyway, but I'm going to spray the bark with a solution of Dawn soap and water. This is my new Mars Hydro pump sprayer. It contains a little under a half a gallon of water, and it works on the same principle as any other handheld pump sprayer. You have your pump here, you pump it down, uh, and the pressure causes it to come out. I can control the flow and how it comes out. So I'm going to use this to spray the solution onto my plants, and then we'll go to the next step. So as I said, this is my new Mars Hydro 1.5, I'm sorry, 5.0 liter or half a gallon hand pump sprayer. They reached out to me and I decided to use it. And overall, I like it. What I like best about it is that it's not too heavy. It has a carrying strap that I can use on my arm for whatever I'm using it for. I can use it to as a foliar sprayer. And I can use spreader fertilizer and spray the leaves of my plants, or I can use it as a mister, like I use the humidifier inside the house. Overall, it's a good product and I like it. If you're interested in it, I'll leave a link for it in the description portion of the video and also in the comment section. And there'll be a discount code as well. Now, you've seen the saw before, and for this type of project, it is great. The saw comes with a 6-inch blade. Um, I've used saws similar to this. They have a 4-inch blade, and let me tell you that extra 2 inches comes in handy. The company right now, CC, is running a contest. I'll put the link in the description portion of the video and the comment section as well on Facebook. If you go over and enter it, you may be able to win a handsaw like this, or a wrench, or a some other tools that they're offering as well. And again, if you're interested in purchasing one, I have a link and a coupon code for that I'll put both in the comment and description portion of the video. If you know anything about Florida soil, you know that it's not very good. No matter where you're at in Florida, from the south to the east coast to the west coast to the north, overall, it's not a very good quality soil. So therefore, I'm going to use some fertilizer spikes for the first time since I've planted these plants, these crepe myrtles on my plants. And all you really do, this variety is made by Job's, and it is a 9-12-9. So it comes with a cap like this. Put the cap on and press it down into the soil. And the last step to do is to put down mulch. I don't have any mulch to put down, but when I do get some, it's going to go around the base of the plant. And we're also going to do some edging and some weed eating to get rid of this unnecessary growth here. But overall, those are the four steps that I do that I did for my crepe myrtles. And to review, we pruned and trimmed the limbs. Secondly, we sprayed a mixture of Dawn dish soap and water on the bark itself to get rid of black mold and aphids. Thirdly, we put a tree spike or food spike for trees into the soil, not on top of the plant, but not on top of the roots rather, but nearby so that the plant's roots can reach out to it. We press that down into a hole in the ground. And lastly, number 4, we will be putting mulch down around the plant. I hope you got something out of the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. And as I said, my plants have been neglected, mainly because we weren't living up here to see about them. But now that we're back, we're going to show it the love that it needs just as much as I show love to my vegetables. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I'm trying to reach a significant milestone for me, or at least to me it is, 50,000. And I'm a little under 2,000 away. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and take care of plants by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my videos, your friends and family will also. So lastly, remember, give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.